Chapter 4 More about Mouse and Keyboard. Learning Outcomes. Mouse, parts of a mouse, mouse controls, keyboard, types of keys. Mouse and keyboard are input devices. Let us learn some more about these devices. Mouse. This is a computer's mouse. We use the mouse to point and select things from the screen. It is also called a pointing device. Mousepad. A computer mouse must always be kept upon a mousepad. It helps the mouse to move properly. It also saves the mouse from dust and dirt on the table. Parts of a mouse. A common scroll mouse has the following parts: left button, right button, scroll wheel. Mouse controls. To learn how to use the mouse, keep the following in mind. Hold and move the mouse. Click, double click, right click, triple click, scroll the mouse, drag and drop, shake the mouse. Hold and move the mouse. Place the palm of your hand on the mouse. Hold it with your thumb and the last two fingers. Now place your index finger on the left button and your middle finger on the right button. You can now move the mouse on the mouse pad. Watch the movement of the pointer on the monitor as you move the mouse. Click. To click the mouse, hold it and press the left button once. This is the most used mouse control of all. To select an item, we always click the mouse on it. Double click. Double-click the mouse on an icon or folder quickly to open it. Right-click. When we right-click anywhere on the screen, a small menu of options opens. Triple-click. This control is used into selecting a paragraph written on the screen. Triple-click the mouse left button. Drag and drop. Click on a file, folder, or icon and hold the left button and move the mouse to move them from one folder or location to another. Keyboard. A keyboard is an important part of the computer. Let us first revise what we learnt about the keyboard earlier. Types of keys. Alphabet keys. Alphabet keys are from the letter A to Z, but they are not in the same order. We can type letters and sentences using these keys. Numeric keys. Numeric keys have numbers on them from 0 to 9. We can type our age, roll number, height, etc. using these keys. Special keys. These keys have different symbols, like there are some more keys which perform some special functions. We learnt about the following special keys earlier: Enter key, space bar key, caps lock key, backspace key, delete key. Factbot. Green color light glows when num lock key is on. Let us learn about some other special keys now. Cursor control keys. A cursor is a small blinking line on the monitor that shows the current position of the text to be entered using keyboard. There are 4 cursor control keys on the keyboard: left, right, up and down. These keys can move the cursor left, right, up and down while working on a computer. These keys are also called arrow keys or direction keys. Left arrow key is used to move the cursor left one letter at a time. Right arrow key is used to move the cursor right one letter at a time. Up arrow key is used to move the cursor up one line at a time. Down arrow key is used to move the cursor down one line at a time. Shift key. The shift key is used along with other keys to type special symbols and capital letters. We know some keys on the keyboard have 2 symbols on them. Some of these keys are: when we want to type the upper symbol, we have to press the shift key along with that key. For example, if we want to type %, then we need to press the Shift key along with the key that has a percentage symbol. When we want to type the capital letter of any English alphabet, we have to press the Shift key along with that key. For example, if we want to type H, then we need to press the Shift key along with the key that has H alphabet. Numlock key. There are two sets of numeric keys on a keyboard. If you want to use the right panel of numeric keys only, you can press a key called Numlock key. This is the right panel of keys. This is the top panel of numeric keys. Tab key. The tab key is pressed to move some spaces forward. It moves the cursor to the next tab stop. It is used to create spaces between lines. Function keys. There are 12 function keys. These keys are placed on top of the keyboard and each of them performs a specific function. SumBot. Mouse and keyboard are input devices. Mouse is also called a pointing device. Click, hold, move, scroll, drag and drop are the various types of mouse controls. Keyboard is a part of computer that is used for typing. There are various types of keys in the keyboard. Alphabet keys are used to type letters and sentences. Caps lock key is used to type capital letter. Backspace key helps removing any character on the left of the cursor. Enter key is used to go to the next line. There are 4 cursor control keys on the keyboard which are also called arrow keys or direction keys. Tab key is pressed to move some spaces forward. There are 12 function keys which perform specific functions. Tech Bytes. Double click. Pressing the left button of the mouse 2 times quickly. Numeric keys. Key with numbers 0 to 9 on them. Triple click. Pressing the left button of the mouse 3 times quickly. Shift key. Key used to type special symbols and capital letters. Numlock key. It is the lock key which when turned on freezes the numeric keys.